What's up, guys? This is Scott from What Plant Is That Paul? And I wanted to do a video on something a little different, something we're not really addressing on this channel, but I wanted to show you my garden bed. This is a new garden bed I just put in. I had this couple logs that were left over and kind of doing nothing, so I put them together. And then we did a mixture of chicken manure, sand, and peat moss for your base soil. And it's been really good, but I'll show you what we got. So we got a pumpkin, and these are just your basic jack-o'-lantern pumpkins, getting really big. I'm just gonna let them kind of vine off and take over this area over here because there's lots of room. We do have one pumpkin coming in already right there. And let's see, what else we got. These are a few potato plants. I'm gonna actually put those in a different pot. I just put them in real quick because a friend gave it to me and I needed to keep them alive, so we threw them in there. We also have some carrots doing pretty well, starting to pop up. Here's a squash row. The squash seem to be fruiting the fastest. Got a lot of squash coming in. I planted all these seeds probably about 6 weeks ago, so this is about a month and a half. Got tons of flowers coming in. It's looking really good. Got a zucchini. Zucchini's super big. And we got a few coming in here. Right there, you see one. Looking forward to eating all of this. This one is the lemon cucumber. And this one seems to be doing really well. I planted these in rows and thinned them out already, but it might be still a little bit too thick, so we'll see. It's a trial and error, but this one hasn't started to fruit, but I'm excited to try lemon cucumbers. Well, that's about it. I just wanted to do a quick video, show you what I got, and I'll do a follow-up when I actually have some harvest and something real to talk about. But hope you guys are doing well, and we'll get back to that dragon fruit. Hit that like button, subscribe, and notification bell. Leave us a comment and let us know what you're thinking about. Dude, it's creepy.